hamper their brain development.
Yeah.
So you have to obviously have to be careful in this society. And then obviously excessive or doing it for pleasure and everything will take you on wrong path. So जो जिनको सीखना होता है वो ये वाली लाइक स्पेशलाइज्ड ब्रांच मान लो उसको, वो अपने आप पहुंच जाएगा उस पर, और उसको मेन स्ट्रीम में तुम्हें लाइक उसको प्रमोट करोगे तो फिर वो दिक्कत हो जाएगा थोड़ा, बिकॉज नॉट एवरीबडी विल बी एबल टू हैंडल इट, नो. After 2 joints, if you are able to stay conscious, then why not? But if after 2 joints you are like sleeping and like just gone, or मतलब नशा ही तुम पे सही में काम कर रहा है, इसका मतलब तुमने ट्रुथ रियलाइज ही नहीं किया है. ये तो काम क्यों करेगा?
जो लोग प्लेजर के लिए करते हैं उन्हें टॉलरेंस भी बढ़ जाती है. तो अगर इस थॉट से वो चले कि आफ्टर 2 joints I'm completely sober, I'm completely functioning, but they're smoking every day for pleasure, that would not be good, or that would not be.
That is simple. That is the basic human thing only. So now you are getting pleasure. Basically, you are getting pleasure only. Now you are getting pleasure from the substance, material. It's the same thing. No, you come to the mountain, or you come to Kashi first time. You are like, oh, very good. Second time you are like, okay. Third time you are like, I've seen this. What is this? The same thing is happening. No, you are getting used to it. Once you are getting used to it, you get bored of it. सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन यही ना कि why are you getting bored of it? Because of the memory only. Because you are identifying with the memory of it. You are not seeing that the world is new every second. जैसे हाँ ये पहाड़ तो मैंने ऐसे देख लिया, ये गंगा तो मैंने देख लिया ऐसी वाली, अब नहीं देखना है, हो गया. एक बार देख लिया तो हो गया. तुमने देखा ही नहीं, वो तो बदल नहीं आया. So it will happen, like obviously this substance also it will happen, because generally it happens because of the mind. The mind gets bored.
I just recently I saw a documentary on all these things. तो उसमें what was found there is कि whenever somebody takes ayahuasca or DMT or any substance, brain activity at the moment of taking the substance stops, and after that you go on that state of mind कि हाँ अब ईगो डेथ हो गई, या फिर अब मुझे
Because brain